Hello friends, this is Hadim Ramparawala, and in this video we will revise basically we will revise section 15 HAA of the SEBI Act 1992. In the previous video I had uploaded the entire chapter of SEBI, and in this we will just cover this updated section, new section, basically penalty for the alteration, destruction, etc. of the records and the failure to protect the electronic database of the board. So this is the penalty for the alteration, destruction, etc. of the records and failure to protect the electronic database. So there is a failure in protection of an electronic database of the board. Any person who knowingly alters, destroys, mutilates, conceals, falsifies or make a false entry in any of the information record documents, including any electronic record which is required under these act or any other rules, regulations made thereunder, so as to impede, obstruct or influence the investigation, inquiry. So in order basically to obstruct or influence an investigation, inquiry, audit, inspection or the proper, so basically for for creating any obstacle or proper or for proper administration, that is to obstruct or influence an investigation, audit, inspection, proper investigation, proper administration of any of the matter within the jurisdiction of the board. Explanation: for the purpose of this clause, the person shall be deemed to have been altered, concealed, destroyed such information, records or the documents in case he knowingly fails to immediately report the matters to the board or fails to preserve the same till such an information continues to be relevant to an investigation. If that person is has failed to preserve the information, or if the person has basically knowingly fails to immediately report the matter, that there has been such instance of alteration or conceal or destroy such information, conceal information or destroy documents, in case if he knowingly fails to immediately report the matter to the board or fails to preserve the same till the information continues to be relevant to an investigation, audit, inspection proceedings which can be initiated by the board and conclusion thereof. B point, without, that is, the person who, without being authorized to do so, access or tries to access or denies, so the person access or tries to access or denies of access, modifies access parameter to regulate the data in the database, that a person who, without being authorized to do so, downloads, extract, copies or reproduce in any form the regulatory data maintained in the system. So basically that person is manipulating with the data without being authorized to do so, download, extract, copy, reproduce in any form the regulatory data. Then the person knowingly introduces any computer virus or other computer containment into the system database and bring out the trading halt. Then person, without authorization, disrupt the functioning. So these all are the defaults basically, basically we can also term the inconsistency or fraud being committed by any person, that a person inconsistently, without authorization, disrupt the functioning of any system database. A person F point with knowingly defaults, knowingly destroy, knowingly damage, destroy, delete, alter, diminishes in the value or utility or affects by any of the means the regulatory data in the system database, or a person knowingly provides any assistance to or cause any of the other person to do any of the act. So that person is knowingly provides any assistance to or cause any person to do any of the act. So whether he is doing or he is assisting any of the person to do any act specified in the clause A to F shall be liable to a penalty which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 10 crores. So just remember the penalty and the defaults. So the penalty is not less than 1 lakh but which may extend to 10 crore or 3 times of the amount of any profit made out of such, whichever is higher. So not less than 1 lakh which may extend to 10 crore or 3 times of any amount of any profit made, whichever is higher. Okay, and the last explanation to this is explanation in this section: the expression computer containment, computer virus and the damage shall have the same meaning respectively assigned to them under section 43 of the Information Technology Act 2000. Okay, so we are done with this SEBI Act basically. Thank you for watching the video.